Hello, magicians, ventriloquists, puppeteers, comedians, bands, singers, and variety performers. Whew, wow, hey, did I cover everyone? Probably not, but welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello, hello, I'm Billy Diamond, and just like you, I'm an entertainer. Over the years, I've toured from coast to coast, and I've also worked with events like Live Nation. Combined, I have over 50 plus years in the entertainment business. On this channel, I'll share with you simple, useful tips on marketing your act and personal branding so that you get noticed. We'll also talk about life on the road, and I'll give you some touring advice from just myself traveling across the country and touring. In addition, I'll drop an occasional video on how to keep your gear and your props in great working order. And we'll also just talk about general maintenance that'll apply to just about every area of life on the road. Plus, you'll see branded tools to make your show amazing. I feature videos on unique show props that I offer entertainers, as well as ideas and info on custom props that I build just for you and your act. My goal? Well, it's pretty simple. I want to help you build your brand and improve your performance. I want to make your life as an entertainer easier, much easier. Are you ready to level up your act? Perhaps you're stuck. Maybe you just need a little bit of extra free guidance. Well, I'm here to help you with that as well. Go ahead, do this. Subscribe for my tips, my product news, and also for my Branding for Entertainers podcast episodes that are right here on YouTube. So go ahead, do it right now. Subscribe. And hey, I'll see you real soon. Take care. Bye bye.